Weather Service in Hanford has issued a flash flood warning for central Tulare County in central California until 8:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 5:32 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Three Rivers, South Fork Campground, Haunted Meadow Ranger Station, Wolverton Point, Case Mountain, Atwell Mill Campground, Cold Springs Campground, Mineral King Ranger Station, Farewell Gap, Ash Mountain Sequoia Park Headquarters, Wet Meadows, Quinn Patrol Cabin, and Lemon Cove. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following county: Tulare, California.